Good morning, students. Happy January 2021, or as I like to call it, the year of hope. You see, I have great hope that this year we are going to grow and improve in our virtual learning practices. We are going to continue to build relationships with all of you. I have hope that you are learning and growing in your academics and that we will see you within these school walls sometime when it is safe. You see, no matter what our challenges are, when we look through the lens of hope and when we keep hope alive within ourselves and for each other, anything is possible. The other thing you might hear is many people take the new year to make resolutions or goals. And a goal is a way of achieving a dream. When you have hope for yourself and there's something you want to accomplish, now is a great time to set a goal. It might be academic. It might be something that you want to achieve within sports or challenge yourselves. But throughout our lives, anything we accomplish starts with having hope, setting a goal, and sticking with it. So I challenge you to think about something that's important to you. It might be within virtual learning. It might be something personal. It might be within your family. Set a goal for yourself and stick with it day after day. Have hope and belief, and you'll be amazed what you can accomplish. Happy 2021, Ballinger Creek. We'll see you soon.